you guys are looking for, where are we? We are at the Japanese garden in UBC. These two are looking for frogs. Okay, Japanese style. I see the flower everywhere.
Yeah, it's a little bridge. I think Rob would like here. He'd like to have a little picnic over there while he's eating.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Ah.
Hola. You lost it before.
You got your little chickie poo there.
It's a few minutes. Probably this the Asian style if you like it. Oh, my hair. Okay. My hair. That's it. You have stream.
Bonsai, Danielson.
What's that?
Bonsai.
Bonsai, what that mean?
The bonsai tree.
Bonsai tree. Which is this tree? A bonsai tree. Oh, you mean that means a bonsai tree?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You learned Japanese too?
Yeah, I know some other words. Mushy mushy.
Oh no, I don't know that.
That's what you say when you answer the phone. You say
Mushy mushy. Oh, it means hello.
Hello, yeah.
Hello there. You are the bugger. There's a waterfall there.
Yeah. Put the wind power. Oh, that's me. Whoops, never mind. Very nice.
Ella is showing me around. Ella is my guide today. Ella, say something. Say if.
I found a cool rock.
Oh my goodness. Anything else?
No.
We should go that way. That way because we didn't go right hand side.
Please close the gate behind.
No, it didn't say that. Cannot close because it's for the visitors entry.
Quite suddenly 퐁당 또 퐁당 아니 퐁당 큰 돌을 던진 너.
Cool house. Yeah. Traditional house. I know. It'd be nice if it was open for a cup of tea or something. Oh. Hey? Or a cup of sake. Yeah. Ah, cute little gate they got here.
Where do you house now?